This tutorial will teach you about how the power panel and the lighting board work together. As you look at the ceiling, you will notice numbers which provide power to individual lights. The power for the lights can be found in the breaker box. Let's start there. When you open the box, you will notice on the door there is a label that tells you where the power is for the lights and where you will find the lights on the lighting board. Not all lights go through the lighting board. The first step is to turn on the power to all the lights. You will notice at the top of the label it says always on and has 4 breaker numbers listed. If you look up at the ceiling, you will notice that several lights have yellow cords that go towards the center of the ceiling. This is the dimmer pack. This allows us to control the intensity of some of the lights in the studio. In this case, it allows us intensity control over the backlights in the new set. So make sure those 4 breakers are on. Next, we see power for each light. Turn those on. The only 2 lights that should have actually illuminated are the background set graphic and the logo light. Now that we have the power turned on, we can bring up the lights on the light board. Notice the power for the backlights for anchor 1 and 2 come from the dimmer packs we turned on first. Each light has its own fader, and that controls the intensity. Once you have the lights faded up, we need to adjust their intensity on the anchors. To do this, pay attention to not only the monitor, but also the waveform. For each light, raise and lower the dimmer until you have an image that looks evenly lit, left to right, and also from the back. It is important to make sure that subjects are actually positioned so the lights hit them. When you have finished with the show, first pull down all the faders on the light board, and then go to the panel and turn off all the power breakers. You can leave the dimmer packs on. However, if you accidentally turn it off, it's okay.